Hello everybody, welcome back to SGOI Virtual Online Video Classes for Biology Class 12 Chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance. In the previous lecture I told about the DNA, how it is proved that DNA is the genetic material by two experiments. First is Griffith experiment and second is Hershey and Chase experiment. In this lecture I will told you about the chemical nature of DNA, what is the chemical nature of DNA and how it can form. So this is very important lecture for your examination point of view. Uh, be carefully and understand properly this lecture. Frederick Mister first of all isolated DNA from pus cell. Pus cell is actually nothing, it is only a WBC, white blood corpuscles. It is a cell that is found in the composition of a blood. WBC and RBC, these cells are found in the blood. WBC having the DNA but RBC cannot. RBC is known as red blood corpuscles. RBC does not having the DNA, so you cannot found DNA in the mature RBC. But when RBC is in immature form, it having the DNA. After maturity is lost its DNA. So DNA cannot be obtained from the matured RBC. It can obtain from WBC. WBC, white blood corpuscles. Actually, these cells are phagocytic in nature, and these are the major cell which having an important role in our immune system. As you all know that when a person is wounded, many yellowish white color substances is located around the wounds. This is nothing, this is only WBC. So it is called pus cell. WBC is also called pus cell. So Frederick Mister obtained DNA from the WBC pus cell and named them nuclein. DNA named them nuclein. He does not name the DNA, he named only nuclein. The term nucleic acid was given by Altman. Nucleic acid term is given by Altman. The term nucleic acid was given by Altman. So in this lecture we have to study about the DNA. DNA is a polymer of nucleotide. It is a polymer of nucleotide. When many nucleotides are joined together to each other, they form the long chain and they form the DNA. So DNA is nothing but it is a polynucleotide chain. Its monomeric unit is nucleotide. It is the monomeric unit of DNA, nucleotide. As you know that what is the monomeric unit of proteins? The monomeric unit of protein is amino acid. Means many amino acids are joined together and they form the protein. Just like that, many nucleotides are combined to each other and they form the DNA molecule. So to understand the DNA molecule, first of all, to understand what is nucleotide. Actually, nucleotide, DNA made up of nucleotide. This nucleotide can be divided into two parts. First is nucleoside. Remember, here is tide and here is side. And second is phosphoric acid. So DNA is made up of nucleotide and nucleotide is made up of nucleoside and phosphoric acid. Now nucleoside is further divided into two parts. First is nitrogen base and second is sugar. nitrogenous base plus sugar. Sugar in the case of DNA, in the case of DNA it is deoxyribose sugar, deoxyribose sugar, and in the case of RNA it is ribose sugar. So don't be confused here. The sugar that is present in DNA molecule is deoxyribose sugar, and the sugar that is present in RNA is ribose sugar. So nucleoside is made up of nitrogen base and sugar. This nitrogen base is further divided into two parts. First is purine and second is pyrimidine. The nitrogenous base is divided into two parts, purine and pyrimidine. Purine is two type. First is adenine and second is guanine. Pyrimidine is three type. First is thymine, second is cytosine, and third one is uracil. Understand here? Nitrogenous base is divided into two parts, purine and pyrimidine. Purine is adenine and guanine, pyrimidine is thymine, cytosine and uracil. These are the nitrogenous bases that are found in DNA and RNA. But remember, adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine, these four bases are found in DNA. But in RNA, the thymine is replaced by uracil. So don't be confused here. We remember that thymine in RNA, it is replaced by uracil. It means that in RNA, thymine cannot be found. In the place of thymine, uracil is found. So this is a graph. This is very important to understand the nucleotide. Listen again. DNA is it is a polynucleotide. It means that it is made up of many nucleotides. One nucleotide is divided into two parts, nucleoside and phosphoric acid. Nucleoside again divided into two parts, nitrogenous base plus sugar. Sugar in the case of DNA it is deoxyribose sugar, and sugar in the case of RNA is ribose sugar. Nitrogenous base is further divided into two parts, purine and pyrimidine. Purine is further divided two parts, adenine, guanine, and pyrimidine is three type, thymine, cytosine and uracil.